and welcome back to Exit Out 9 to 5. Today I'm excited to talk about my thoughts on the book The Attractor Factor by Joe Vitale. This is one of the books that I read when I commenced after I exited the 9 to 5 world. So like I said in earlier videos, you can see the links below. One of the few things that I've been doing since I retired is also to read books that are closely related to financial freedom, financial abundance, retiring on time and living the life that you want. So, and The Attractor Factor by Joe Vitale was one of the first few books that I read, and the wisdom shared in this book resonated with me, and it's something that I consistently practice, and it's a book that is consistently revolving in my library. So The Attractor Factor is a book written by Joe Vitale that provides a framework for attracting abundance and prosperity into your life. In the book, Vitale argues that we are all capable of attracting abundance and success, and that this can be achieved by harnessing the power of the law of attraction. One of the key concepts that Vitale covers in this book is the importance of having a clear vision of what you want to achieve. He believes that by having a clear and compelling vision, you can align your thoughts and actions with your goals and attract abundance into your life. When I commenced this journey to financial independence or financial freedom, as you would see, I had a clear goal of my finish line, the numbers, and in terms of how I wanted to spend my time once I had exited the 9 to 5 world. So, and once I wrote that vision and my goals down, what I did was to break it down into monthly buckets, and of course, and which will collate into the overall annual buckets. What that means is that I was committed to achieving this goal that I had set for myself. And the only way I could achieve it was not just about writing it down, but by also executing it. So execution is always very important. So by sticking to a monthly payout plan towards my savings and towards my investment goal, I was able to achieve this goal eventually. And this is what Vitale is explaining in his book, that we are all capable of achieving whatever goals and vision that we have set out for ourselves. It's a matter of being committed. It's a matter of taking action. Because if you are committed and you are not taking action, then you might not eventually get to the finish line. Another important concept that Vitale covers in the book is the power of positive thinking and visualization. He argues that by focusing on positive thoughts and visualizing your desired outcome, you can increase your positive energy and attract abundance and success into your life. Vitale also encourages readers to practice gratitude and focus on the good in their lives, as this can help them attract more of what they actually want from life. And if I were to relate to that personally, it actually works, the power of this visualization and positive thinking. You know, there's a popular saying, or I think inside our textbooks, if you in secondary school, I'm sure either you studied physics or chemistry, you must have heard that energy cannot be destroyed, it can only be converted. So bearing that in mind, it's always important to surround yourself. As you surround yourself externally, also internally you surround yourself with positive energy, because by surrounding yourself with positive energy, you tend to attract what you are actually seeking from the universe. So let me give you an insight. There was a particular phrase that Vitale used in his book, The Attractor Factor, to actually when you need to attract help or assistance from the universe or from the Most High or God, as a local balance is said. So one of the things he made mention of, there was a particular place he made mention of, and I decided to try it out because I was in a, how would I say it now, I needed assistance on something, and I wanted it to be done during that particular week. So I remember that morning as I was listening to that book, and he talked about that particular phrase. In the spur of that minute, I, it resonated with me, and I mentioned it. I repeated it verbatim, stating exactly what I needed assistance with. And you wouldn't believe it. After saying that, and leaving it be to the universe to handle, within 30 minutes I received a call from the person that would actually render that assistance, and the following morning I actually received actual value for what I was seeking for. So the way Vitali explains this is that because you surround yourself with positive energy, both internally and externally, when you need that help and you tell the universe that this is what you want, you have to be extremely explicit. State exactly what you want so that you can get what you can get your heart's desires. So he says that because you have this positive energy and positive aura around you, what that does is that as you state exactly what you want explicitly, and you just don't say it offhand, or you say it with with your feelings, you say it with strong emotions, so that what that does is that it releases that positive energy out into the universe. And because it is backed with a strong positive emotion, that energy goes out and connects with whoever is meant to render that assistance or help or advice, or give you wisdom on whatever issue you are struggling with. So it connects with this person, and this person either connects with you by picking up the phone or sending out an email, but it happens, and this person comes back to you and actually gives you a solution to whatever problems you are currently dealing with. That's how the power of visualization and positive thinking works. So you might want to try it out, and you'll be surprised at what you get. In addition to discussing the importance of having a clear vision, positive thinking and visualization, Vitali also covers the power of affirmations and self-talk. He believes that by using positive affirmations and speaking positively to yourself, you can change your mindset and attract abundance and success into your life. It's a top-notch advice because it's something that I practice every day. I practice with my son, and I practice with myself as well. So affirmations are very important. If you have the time, you should, it's like writing a personal note to yourself, affirming all the things that you know you are, and all the things that you also want to be, whether now or in the future. And it's also very important. One of the few things that he spoke about in his book is that affirmations don't just manifest just by saying it. It must, every time you say out an affirmation, it must be backed by a strong positive emotion. You just don't go about and say, oh, I am great, I'm this, I'm that, no. It must be backed by a positive emotion, because by backing it with a positive emotion, what it does is that it radiates into the atmosphere, and then your positive energy and that positive emotion begins to attract like-minded positive energy into your life, which propels you to actually get what you want from life. I hope that is clear. I'm trying to make it as clear as possible, and I hope you got it. But it's something that must be done. So don't be in a rush to say your affirmation. If you know you're feeling tired or you're not just in the mood, take a break and come back to it when you are actually in a better frame of mind, so that you can back up your affirmations with a strong positive emotions, and then you will begin to see the result and manifestation in your life over time. Overall, The Attractor Factor is an empowering and inspiring book that provides a roadmap for attracting abundance and prosperity into your life. Whether you're looking to improve your financial situation, considering early retirement like myself, build better relationships, or achieve your goals in life, this book provides practical tips and techniques that can help you attract the life you want. Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Exit Out 9 to 5 for more book summaries and personal development content. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.